play with this one. So you guys got a 13 to 17 Honda Accord. What you will have to do to over here, you would want to start plugging all these in right there. This is a USB 4-pin right there, so that way you can plug your USB. You need to plug this TFT driver right there to this little flat pin right here. It should be plug and play, but you got to know what you're plugging into. So right here, see that? When you push it in, make sure everything going in. You want to see, you see this sticking out? So you might, sometimes you plug it in and it's not working because of that. I'm going to fix that part. And then you got to plug this right here. It's basically plug and play, but I want to remind you that if you're doing a video backup camera, you will need this plug right there for the backup camera. So here's a camera, and then if you have any issue that it doesn't screen right, so you're gonna have to join your membership to get it to plug in. You cannot plug this one. This is not gonna work right here, okay? Because you're using the factory, you're not using an aftermarket. Usually they come with an aftermarket, but in this case it doesn't. So make sure you plug the main power right there, and I will link the where you buy the place at on the bottom left of this video right there. While I'm speaking, you'll see where to purchase is at, and click on that. You can buy that piece. And then on the radio itself, I do have a full install video of this one. This is just a little bit different. You're not gonna need this piece. You will need to plug this thing in. This is a GPS. If you're not doing the subwoofer or any subwoofer, you don't have it, don't worry about this one. And as you can see right there, this one doesn't come with, oh yes it does come with the Bluetooth. So what you want to do, you want to run the Bluetooth up here, pull this out right there just like so. It's simple, and put it right there and run it back all the way over here so you can get a good voice out of it, because you don't want people to say I can't hear you, I can't hear you. So this is will work on that. So what you have to do, you're gonna have to go like so, just rotate it, tighten it, and then you're gonna plug this. This is used as a Bluetooth signal. If you don't plug this thing in, you're gonna have an issue. So next thing I'm gonna plug it in is this piece. That's what we need, is to plug our microphone. So make sure you plug not like this upside down. You want a bit like so. It will go in. If it doesn't matter, it will still go in if it's not plugged right. So you need to plug this thing in, but I don't plug it yet. I'm gonna run it from the glove compartment, and so I can plug it later. Open the glove compartment up and push it through that side, and you should reach over here. And now what you want to do, there's a clip right there, and there's a Phillip. You need to take this Phillip out, push this clip in, and you should be able to remove this. And there's another clip out here also, same as that. And all these clip right there, what you want to do, you want to take two. You gotta have two hand, not one handed holding like me. So you push this right there. Actually, you do it this way right here, and then you need another one, but make sure it's not gonna flew up right there. So, and the plug and play type is ready after you do that. Yeah, if you do have a subwoofer, you need to plug this I think it's 2, 4, 6, 8 pin plug right there, and then you need to plug to the one that says subwoofer. So you need to plug that. If you don't, your subwoofer is not gonna work. So now I'm ready to put everything back in. Just a reminder, it comes with 4 little screws, and then you need one of these to fit it before you stick it in. So what happened, I stick that in, and then now I'm kind of like, uh-oh, I forgot that piece. So I had to check and see which one to fit it. There's 2 of them. It's a little bit different. It's a little bit tricky. I thought it was this one. It looks right. But the problem is when I put that in, it doesn't go in. It's got a big gap right here. So I'm going to try this. If this doesn't work also, I don't know what to say. Yes, it was a shorter version. See how it's look now? And I thought this is bigger, it probably moved farther out, but it didn't. So that's it. I just you're gonna have to join your membership to get your camera to work. I'm gonna put everything back and I'm done.